First step on how to adjust contrast of a video in Capcut Mobile is,
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more presets and effects for life. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
click and highlight your video clip or footage. See, it's now selected and highlighted, and basically you want to go to the bottom hand screen, scroll to the right. This works for Android and iPhone, but in this case I'm using an iPhone, iOS, Apple device. And click on this option which says adjust, which is the auto reframe and video quality. To me, the before and after is absolutely going to blow your mind, so be sure to stay until the very end. You want to scroll to the right till you see the option contrast. It's the brightness and saturation. Now notice this slider icon in the middle hand screen. If we drag this to the right, notice that our video is becoming more contrast, so it's adding a punch. If we drag this to the left, becoming less. In this case, I'm going to add the check mark at the bottom right hand screen, and we're going to click this diamond icon and add a keyframe. Scroll to the right, click the keyframe one more time, but go back to adjust, contrast, and I'm really going to drag this to the left, the check mark. This is what we have. I say this is the before, this is the after. You have now successfully added a contrast or adjusted contrast in Capcut Mobile completely for free.